into Oluboi Commodore. Nasema waka president ke ES Okreku or say ket ohwe performance man wo ye na yemi ani kwani ama football I stable pa na me mra na me meti me panel me mesna yenti no
initially now a turbulent say we say day 19 now you fight COVID until bibia okohu FIFA for my bibi kakra say chairman clubs because of COVID now a ball league no and ball can one match baby first round now COVID into the cancel league no the weekend says 2019 there 2020 there we very difficult season the two asuna be obet me aka wan asem say abomodin am say ya synchronizing with the European League on say time every league na June European League so mo bombo sin started in September maybe you know na so ya we no achievement ya try am to me ya bomodin you say to me football first by or the Macron training babes and footballs second time so another brand I think BB and Sana Macron footballs they say boost become no sponsorship unlike the previous one not sponsorship being there not sponsorship although Scanon does but it's better than now.
Wow, I know. Oluboi, Eddie, on list of my chance. Oluboi, and penny speech in the next 4 months.
Yes, people like Oluboi, can't be in football in number be a dozen number. He's an embarrassment to our football. And in any case, COVID excuse no more. What was supposed to be done in that COVID time now, and no. If you to me and as a cat to me any opportunity anye. Then I was anchor here. At the end of if we are playing football, club owners no and the feeling the pains during the COVID era. At COVID era, FIFA brains kapuchu. And on much chair day. Omu keeping the keeping on much chair the cano ebi ma class no. Then I was say 1 year you COVID time and for use COVID in the excuse. You understand? Clearly, if you want the person to continue, I think say you don't need to even give an explanation because anything that you say will make you look it will make you look some way. Let me go on and say oh my babes, oh my boss, Macron boss, look at all this. Look at that.
That's why you know among the number.
What the football club want to be top boss? Want to be top bigs man? I just every president and top bigs man on the Nintendo who endorse no. And I will call man. Come on. Chale, I'm only the football the dream want to say chale. As I've been with them too much. To be honest. What the football team? Our Premier League. Oh. Achievement every president and to just to about the amano. I'm not saying you don't have any right to go and vote for anybody.
Yeah.
But the reasons that you are giving supposed to be reasonable. The reasons supposed to be reasonable. What to be samame? What to boss samay? Based on that, I'm going to vote for him. Is that the kind of development we want in our game? And that is why leader not to be fair say, oh, we my man boss, I'm okay. Instead of say you be nyama your football be tumpa me nyina ya dey ya san kwan no enya nkiti bi say ene ye den ye worship it ye be ma if you can say oh we need the next time krana you will not see any massive improvement bia in our game because people like Oluboi Commodore will use some of this mediocre we say achievement. Come on. come on, they can go and vote for him. But then this kind of explanation goes to what? Underline the level of our football. Oluboi betimi dey insist in say, is he very, 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 very impressed with our football? You can find excuses, no problem. But is he impressed with our football? To use those mediocre achievements to say, because of that, you are endorsing somebody. And when you're confident, say, oh, like I feel, say, Kate, 4 years, the man will beat my day. I don't see a competitor and say, about beat my baby, be a change. Every year sound. That to say, what Bips Christ, Premier League team, Bips, achievement, the man. Bips,
class didn't mean to Anna.
Jesus, Bregu. I'm on my visitors to be near Fukruma say, I'm your penny for no, Oko Kabakas who did your matter. Oluboi Commodore, what if football chain no? Now, on your small boy, Oluboi Commodore. It's almost saying, and who the level of our football, who is how you to me here, the man is a mobile from our league. How a time in here to me, Tom, play a free league in $1 million from straight from Ghana League to Germany. Your top players, Oluboi it can your players, your Mokrana, a bit your mom coffee, you said that time the team contract, so I'm free because at the end of the day, team now Bano does not feel confident to even pay the transfer fee of these players. At the end of football, not any done no. Oluboi adding a near will be paying. But today, or say Bips in the football, Premier League team. Babes ni na wo ji aso de akoto aba omo gumen ma se papa
but say penny speech say omo nya ne ma kakra wo boa football
yo